At CES 2019 checking out House of Marley. Now what we like most about House of Marley is not only do they have awesome designs, but all of their stuff is made from sustainable materials. That's really a great thing because electronics are not always so sustainable, not always so good on the planet. And this is the steered up turntable. It's a revamp from the older turntable, which we really liked, and it adds one really cool thing, and that is the wireless ability to transmit to wireless speakers. It's got Bluetooth in it. Now check this thing out. It's got a steel tone arm here, aluminum cartridge. We've got sustainable bamboo. This is called regrind, this material here. It's made out of like recycled plastics, really cool. And even the internals are recyclables. There's also a headphone jack here with a volume knob, a separate volume knob. Doesn't affect the rest of the sound. So that's really cool too if you want to just plug in. Now this has a preamp in it, so you don't need a phono preamp in your amplifier, but if you have one that you like, you can just turn off the internal preamp. So very cool design. I mean, you can say all those things, it's sustainable and all that. It also just kind of looks awesome. It's just a really cool sort of minimalist turntable. Does Bluetooth and all of the other great things, and it's good for the earth. Now the price point on this is going to be $250, and we expect it to be released sometime in the third quarter of 2019.